In this video we're going to take a look at the single pole switch and how it actually works. As you can see from the circuit diagram, there's a fuse, a single pole switch, an electrical outlet and a lamp. If I were to turn on the fuse, you would see that the voltage is available at the socket or the outlet. It is also available at one side of the lamp and at the bottom of the switch. Now if I were to turn on the switch, you could see with the yellow dots which way the current will flow. And as you probably notice, it doesn't flow to the electrical socket because there's no load there, so there's no closed circuit. Now if I were to connect something to the electrical outlet, like let's say like a water boiler, you would see how the current would flow through that part of the circuit as well. So the green dots represent the part of the circuit with the electrical outlet, and the yellow dots the part of the circuit with the light and the switch. I hope this was helpful for you. If you like this kind of videos, leave a like and consider subscribing.